They refurbished the MSC Poesia, but did they actually do anything to the cabins? Let's take a look.
Welcome to a room tour of MSC Poesia 9216. It is aft balcony. When you walk into the room, that's kind of what it looks like. Have a king bed. Our daughter's with us on this cruise, so we have the room for 3 people. They took the couch and made it a bed. A good old nightstand, little office desk. Comes with a little stool, no chair, that's all you get. And they have the little side table over here. On the nightstand right there, the drawers do not open. The lamp doesn't have any USBs. Okay, we have the connecting room door. We're not really using that this time. And then we do have an aft balcony. This balcony is pretty small actually. Big enough for 2 chairs and a little stool. And it's pretty much straight down to the water. They have the mirror right there, staring at you while you're trying to sleep. TV and a mini bar. The mini bar is just a cooler. The stuff in there is not free. My recommendations is ask your room steward to take it out. He will gladly do so. We have a wardrobe with 3 closets. This one has a total of 6 drawers and 1 shelf, and then 2 closets. Well, it's 1 big closet, but 2 sides. And we do have extra hangers, having 3 people. Here's all the safety information. This room, you do have to insert a key card for all your electronics to work, your lights and stuff like that. The bathroom, standard bathroom. Toilets in the corner. 2 shelves. Has a sink. And then it has the shower handle with a pod. Well, actually it's a shower curtain. It's not even a pod. It just looks like a pod, but it has the curtain. Now to address the power problem in the room. Everybody always wants to know about what kind of plugs and all that stuff, so let's take a look at that. So you got 2 USBs, international plugs, looks like you have 2 of those, and 2 110s. That's all the plugs I see. So that's what we have to work with. Bring your MSC approved power outlets. But anyways, that's a room tour of aft balcony 9216 on the MSC Poesia.
So if you walk to the edge of the hall from our room, you get this big wooden door, and then you get a secret deck. They have all these really cool chairs out here. Very nice viewing area. You can see really good the back of the ship, the side of the ship. And the good thing is there's one of these on each side of our hall. So if somebody says something's happening port side, we can run over here. If they say starboard side, we can run the other way. And we have side view as well as an aft view because our balcony is aft facing. It did not appear that this cabin was refurbed with the rest of the ship. The cabin was in good condition, however, with a few spots needing attention, but other than that, it was very clean overall.